Okay, first of all, I got this Craftsman Axe for $1. Can't believe I got this for $1 at an estate sale. They were selling stuff very cheap. They just wanted to get rid of stuff, so a lot of stuff was just going for $1. I was really happy to get that. Made in USA, Reg trademark. Okay, I got this one for $1 at the flea market. It's an old Craftsman. This one's from the 1930s, early 1930s. Craftsman Vanadium Steel C-1033-C 15/16 and 1 inch. Got this bell face claw. No maker's marks that I could find yet. Hopefully I'll find some under there. Something to clean up. Okay, I got this Champion brass sprinkler head wrench for $1 at an estate sale. And I also have a couple of these that I had out in my garage that are very similar. This one says Rain Spray. And this one's almost exactly like the brass one. But it's made out of probably aluminum or something. This one I got at a garage sale for $5. Lufkin. I don't really know too much about these. I picked it up just because it was quality. You know, some sort of level. They probably use this in machining, precision stuff. It's a Lufkin Rule Co. Saginaw, Michigan, made in USA, number 900. And it's got this guy here. And I guess you just I don't know. Not sure how it's used. I'm gonna have to look up some videos and see how they use this. But I really like it, and I'm gonna keep it, and hopefully it'll come in handy one of these days. Okay, I got these military locks at the flea market for $5. US set. They say Waterbury on the back side. That's the maker. There's no keys with these. Normally the keys would be on the end of these chains, but I still had to pick them up. $5 isn't bad. Okay, then I got this grinder hone for $1. I couldn't find any maker's marks. Got a cool handle on there. And just kind of cool looking. This Plumb Ball-peen hammer was $4. And it weighs about 3 pounds. This vise I got at a estate sale. This one was quite a while ago though, but I don't think I've shown it yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys. Dependable quality Dunlop. Number 5244, made in USA. Hard to believe, but these were $1. Loppers. You got Craftsman number 8601, made in USA. There's the Craftsman sticker there. Stainless steel. Little cleanup, it'll work real good. Got this really cool drill index for $4. It's a Huot. 115 drill bits it carries. These sides fold up here. See if I can find the logo. I think it's down here in the bottom. Let's see, or it's on the other side of this case. It's in reverse here. Huot. Got a couple of serrated knives from Germany. KUHN Germany, super still. Got for 50 cents each. And this one is a Henckles. J.A. Henckles from Germany. Need a little cleanup. Not too bad for 50 cents each. Gotta pick those up. And I got this for $1 at estate sale. I kind of blindly picked it up. I thought there might be some maker's marks on here, but there's nothing. Just kind of a cool looking little socket set here, but it's jacked up. This thing's all bent, so we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. This Dewalt combo wrench, number 15, DWMT72216B. 15 millimeter, not number 15. For $1. Okay, and this is the last one. We got a Craftsman 3/4 and 7/8 box end wrench. And I got this for $1, and it's a VV. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.